Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we talked about the War of the Souls, the dragon's part in it, and the death of two of the major overlords, chief among them Malistrix. So let's hit the intro and begin with this video. In the decades following the defeat of Takhisis, other dragon overlords were defeated. Even some of the lesser dragon lords were unseated from their power. The number of active dragons on Krynn in this new era is a fraction of what it was in their height. Every dragon is significant, influential, and potent, standing out as individuals instead of merely one in a vast flight. These dragons, both evil and good alike, feel a sense of independence for the first time from their divine patrons. Most still hold to their core alignments, for they are tied more directly to the world and to the cosmos that surrounds it than any other race. Yet, without the direct influence of Paladin or Takhisis, a great wave of change and self-awareness has begun to sweep over the dragon clans. The era of the overlords has passed. The mortal races, brought close to extinction so many times in the past, have finally achieved a level of maturity. Even dragons on Krynn now have a choice: dwell upon the past or look ahead to the future. Heedless of them, as always, the river of time surges on. And that is the end of this video and the end of this series. Now, I do want to point out that in Taladas the dragons are completely different than these dragons. They were far more independent than the dragons of Ansalon because they turned their back on the Queen and Paladin and they did their own thing, so they were far more independent for far longer. The dragons of Ansalon, however, are now just learning how to use their independence and to see what they can make of themselves in this world. Now, I hope you enjoyed this series, and we will continue with the dragons of Krynn and dive deeper into different individual dragons, where they were, who they were, what they did. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.